beautiful area. Huntington Reservoir, Mammoth Lake. I hope you guys can get a good shot right there. The water's like a little bit darker. It has like a darker tint than like Tibble Fork or even Mirror Lake. No, Mirror Lake's a little more fluorescent. You can definitely see it really mirrors the things around it. It's pretty cool. I haven't been here in about a year, maybe even 2. Closer to a year and a half, honestly. Honestly, I'm getting this feeling of like relaxation, just, you know, take a video and not like worrying about fishing right now. Keep those worms somewhat alive. There's the dam. On the other side there's like a valley, small valley, and then more mountains. First tiger trout I caught was like 7 inches. It's pretty small, but I was super psyched about it. It was a fast bite, like right before noon, just right here, right in the middle. Just a little bit past this middle point, but yeah, not any further out. It was an exciting catch for me. I was like, hell yes, there's tiger trout. Here we are. There's like a stream that kind of goes into that little hill right there, and I want to show you more scenery when I get over there. Till then, I'm going to start fishing and see what this lake has to offer today.